Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much, and welcome back my existing ones. I'm on today to do a quick savings challenges stuffing, and this is my first recorded video of stuffing. I have stuffed off camera and I'm behind a little bit, so I really want to catch up this week. Now I've got the penny challenge, I've also got the £5 challenge, I have the 52-week challenge as well, and that's what I want to concentrate on, as well as a 3-month challenge. And I also have Friday roll the dice. So that's going to be interesting. I'm a little bit shy. I don't know why, because I've made so many videos. But I always seem to get shy when I have to make a video and then I start to procrastinate. Now what have I done with those dices? There we go. I got some dices off of Amazon. These are really pretty, aren't they? Oh goodness me, I love this one, the clear one with the red and blue. Got the yellow as well, and I really love this pink, the purple as well. I love those. Right, okay, so I've got the dices, so wish me luck with that. But for the penny challenge, I've got this whole jug of pennies. I think I should start counting up the pennies. Whole jug of that I have. I believe there is, I've marked it and it's got £8.70 on it, so I don't think I'm going to bother with the penny challenges today. Only if I've found some in my purse and stuff, I think that's what I'm going to use. I've got another jar with just 5p silvers, and that's £9 in there. So I'm going to just keep everything together and not sort of confuse myself. This is the jar that I started the penny challenge savings, and because I've counted all these up already, I think I'm going to leave them in a jar, and any change I get in my purse, as I said, or I find around the house, then I'll put them in here and mark it off on the penny challenge. But this is how I'm going to leave these. Yes, there's £9 in here, and so I've got the £5 bag already ready for the bank, and then the other loose change. But I think, yes, I'm going to leave everything the way it is. Right, so I'm going to leave the penny challenge out today. The £5 challenge, I haven't put any in for last week, and it's this week now. So I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to put £10 in. Actually, I should be putting £20 in. Right, I'm going to put £10 in. So I've got 165, I believe. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. So that's what I've got for my challenges. And we'll start with the £5. I think I'll put that at the front. I've got £10 in there already, and I will put another £10 in. Actually, do you know what I should do for change? I'm going to take that out and put 20 in. Great. That's what's done, because I think I'm going to need the change. And then for the 52 weeks, let's just mark this off. So that's 5, 10. For the 52-week challenge, I'm going to, this has got £20 in it already, so I'm going to put £60 in. 20, 40, 60. I've got 80 in there now, and then I'll just mark that off. What colour shall I use? Right, so I've put 60 in there. So if I do 30, 40, 50, 60. Great. Alright, and then I wanted to challenge myself because I started late in the year. I started my saving challenges in March. So what I want to do is do these for the next 3 months and see how far I get with it. So for the next, so we've got April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we've got 9 months. So I can actually do a round of 3 lots of this. So I'm going to put £60 in there today. This is total at 450 at the end of 3 months. So I will put £60 in here. 20, 40, 60. And what I am going to do, I use my Dymo to label them. That's how I get to label my envelopes, with the Dymo. So I will put the Dymo on there. And for this one, I think I'm going to mark it off pink, and let's have a look. I think I will mark it off with, let's just have a look at, see what colour that is. I don't know. Let's see. I'll just do it like that so I can see. So I'm really happy to have that. And then I've got the roll the dice ones. I think I'm going to laminate these, so I'm not going to mark them off. And then I'll see what I can do from there. So I'll do a 3 months challenge here. I'll just turn that on. I usually just burnish it with the bone folder, just so I know it'll stick on. Great, so that's a 3 months challenge. Actually, I think I'll do a 6 months challenge as well. 6 months, because I've got some change here. That will be £945. So I'll put the label on after, but I think what I'll do, I'll put, let's see, the highest is £60. So I will put What have we got here? 10, 20, 35. I will put 30 in there. I'll put. And then I'll just get another envelope. In there. And I'll put that in there. Great. I think I'm going to put the last £5 in the £5 challenge. That's what I'm going to do. These blues are all, looks all the same, don't they? Yep. So I'll put that in there, in the £5 challenge. At least everything's gone now. I'm going to laminate my roll the dice's challenge sheets, and I'm going to label up my envelopes properly, and I'll see you back another time. So I'm glad that I've managed to do that today. So that's £165 gone for the savings challenges. It wasn't much that I stuffed today, but I'm quite happy with what is in there because it's progress. 2 weeks ago it was empty, and now we have some money in there. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.